Hello, everyone. How's it going? I'm the Clear America.
Hey, there's fingers.
Get off me. I'm a drink. You can't have me. I'm a drink. You can have me. I'm a drink. You can't have me.
Well, too bad. I'm taking you. I'm just goofing around. Hey, you know what? In my previous video, I got cut off. Some phone number, somebody called and I was trying to hit decline, and then I end up hitting it. And I was like, no, I don't want that. I don't know who you are. So, 20, my loves. Had to do it. Margie TV! Look, I got a package. Well, if you watched my previous video that I got cut off, Action Gal, I was showing that I got, oh, it opens here. I don't need scissors. Don't need scissors. So, hey, listen up. I have some TikTok videos of Prawara coming up. And so this is ZIVRV Vlogs. This is Zai Records. That's not the CD. No, but that. So, that's why I'm saying that I did some good work and I earned a bonus. And the bonus was a CD. Forget it. I dropped the scissors. Well, what do? Do you just say, oh, I dropped scissors? Well, have a little fun with it. Next time you drop something, have a little fun with it. Be a little silly. Have a little fun. Be a little fun. So, I'm so tired. I don't think you need that. And there it is. LILLIAN Axe. And let's see how the CD quality is. Hey, that's pretty good shape. It's pretty darn good. Can't wait to listen to it. Now the question is the cover the same? Because one time I got a CD and it didn't have the original cover. Guess what? It's the original cover, but looks like a dog was chewing on the end.